What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, we have a case for my Pixel 6 Pro. So we're gonna do an unboxing and get right into the video. So I picked this case up from Amazon. This case cost me $14.99, so plus tax around $15. So I picked up the Google Pixel 6 Pro case. This is the Ghostek Covert5 case for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. This will be my first time ever having a Ghostek case on my device, but I always loved the way the Ghostek cases looked. I just never had a chance to pick one up, and I'm still trying to get one for my Z Fold 3. But as you can see, I have one for my Pixel 6 Pro. I had to get it. It says it has R2X impact technology, so I'll show you that in a minute. On this side it says Covert5 Ghostek. Ghostek is a nice quality case. It has resivity buttons, nice and clicky. It says HD clear back, which is true. Raised camera lip. As you can see here, it says slim fit, limited lifetime warranty. That's also good. So this is what this side looks like. It says Covert5 Ghostek, and they have a nice presentation when you unbox the box. So here you are greeted with the case. So we're gonna put the case aside for now, and this is what else you get. So that's pretty good. You get a card, a little information card about their company. As you can see, it says thank you for your purchase, agent. And you also get a nice Ghostek sticker, which is very cool. I like that. So now let's get into the case. So as you can see, this is the case, and these red slits in here are for impact. So if your phone falls down like this, it's protecting it. So pretty much this is what the case looks like. I had to get that clear frost color for my Pixel 6 Pro. So now we're going to place the case in the device like so, and you get a nice snug fit. So let's go over some of the buttons. So right here you get your power button. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is very nice and clicky. That's really nice. It has a good feel to it. So that's what the power button looks like. Then you get your volume up and down button. Ooh, they're nice and clicky also. So that's what the volume up and down button is looking like. Down here you get your cutouts for your speakers and your USB charging port. On this side you get nothing, and on the top you get a microphone, and on the back here you get your nice cutout for your camera, so you don't have to worry about your camera touching the table. When you lay your phone flat like this, you're good and protected. And it also says covert, and on the bottom here it says Ghostek. I don't know how well you can see that, but it says Ghostek. Overall, this is a nice looking and feel, has a nice feel to it. And as you can see, you get a nice lip. So if you place your phone flat down like this, your phone screen is not touching the table. The lip is touching the table before your phone screen. But I do still recommend you get a screen protector. I had a screen protector, but I didn't like how it fit. So now I'm in the search of looking for a better one. I think I found one. I just need to get some money and order it. But overall, this is a nice looking case for the Pixel 6 Pro. I'll have a link in the description on Amazon where I purchased this case from. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.